Okay, welcome back to the BSN channel, or Black Star Name channel. Today we're making Banku and Okra Stew. I know I've said in previous videos Banku is not my favourite, but I love all Ghanaian food. It's just not on my #1 list, or top 5, or even top 10. But nevertheless, it's beautiful at the same time. So I'm going to introduce the ingredients. So what we have here is we've got palm oil heating up in the pots right now. What meat do we have here?
Assorted.
So a mix of things.
Let me punch at it. This one is kauro. Kauro, and then this is kauro. This is meat, lamb meat, and this is turkey winged, smoked one, and this is pig foot. And then what is nama. We will need something that would give it a nice flavor. That's the meat.
AKA the nama.
Yeah. So these are the ingredients it's going to be starting.
Okay, so you got the fish here. Which fish is this?
I've got Kobi.
Nice salt fish.
I've got this little one. What's it called? Kako.
Yep.
With Kobi.
Straight from Ghana.
Really salted. So I'm still soaking it more to get a bit of the salt out. Anyway, it's not too bad now.
Okay. And we've got the pepper here.
My onions first, because my fin is burning. I have to put my onion in it. So I'm going with the onion first. I like onions. I'm using red onions.
Okay, so you put the onions with the heated palm oil. Let me just introduce the other ingredients quickly so they know what it is. Okay. So this is the pepper, which has been cut into pieces. Yeah. You got sweet red pepper, and you've got tomatoes here. Yeah. What you have here is cut in yadua, which is garden eggs, or what do they call, white aubergine?
No, garden eggs. That's
I know, but like,
yeah, it looks like
the Europeans call it white aubergine.
No, we call it garden eggs. It's still garden eggs. We have aubergine.
I know, but the Europeans call it white aubergine.
No. They call it garden eggs. Okay. Yeah, the way we call it.
And this one is okra, but some people call it okra.
And I'll explain a few things here, because some people prefer boiling this one, steaming it for a while, and steaming this for a while before putting everything in it. Okay. But as you can see, all these are veg. You don't overcook veg. So steaming directly into the sauce is more healthy than boiling. It should be well over processed, and I don't like that. I like.
Yeah, you want to keep the nutrients of the veg
in it. So I might use the.
Alright, you got the tomato puree. Yeah. And we got the corn dough.
The corn dough, that's the one. That's the best. Anyway, I want people to see it. That's the best one. It really tastes like as if you go to market, Makola, to buy, Ghana.
Make some nice, corn porridge as well.
Oh, like you had some last night.
Oh yeah, I put cream on it with some sugar.
Oh,
gosh, I'm telling you. Okay, this is smelling nice already.
Yeah, I'm doing it like you're doing the stew, the base, everything. So when the onion is brown a bit, I'll put my tomatoes in it.
Yeah, but this Zomi smells quite good. Better than the last one.
Yeah, it's true. Not better than the one I brought from Ghana.
Oh right, I meant the remember the one that you bought from this country?
Oh yeah.
That you didn't like?
Yeah, this one is a bit better. You can smell a bit of Zomi, but it's not. You can never get the same as you bring it yourself,
And another question, what have you done with this meat? How have you prepared it? Because it doesn't look...
Well, I've steamed it. I've been, cooking it for while not overcook. So I put a bit of every meat that I could find, because with me I would have just used fish. Some people use just fish, they don't use, but because some people in my house prefer meat.
You got big sons.
So I have to put some different meat in it. That's why. So any meat you've got in your freezer or fridge, you can just put a bit in it. So what is going to go next is going to be my Kobi.
The salt fish. So that's probably why you don't have to add any salt, right?
No. Because it's really, really salty. Even though I have creamed it, squeezed it, it's still salty.
Hey, you try eating Kobe when you're in Ghana, the flies will be harassing you, I'm telling you. Bullying you. I was scared of the flies. The flies just jump on your plate. They do not care. They're not scared of you.
Oh yeah,
I'm telling you.
that is a holiday for them when they see you eating Kobe. How can you eat Kobe outside in Ghana? You have to be indoors eating Kobe.
Exactly. Oh yeah, we was by the seaside in Nungwa.
Yeah.
Well, my mother
next door. Is it next door?
Yeah, it's next door restaurant. Well,
that's
resort.
The best.
Okay, she was just trying to take as much salt and impurities out of the fish as possible, because there'll still be enough salt in it. And plus we've got pig foot, right?
Yeah.
So that's got plenty of salt there.
So I'm hoping that the salt doesn't take over my sauce. It wouldn't anyway. So it's going easy. Some people will just use small Kobe. They wouldn't use the big one.
I can smell the Kobe already. It's got a very distinct smell. It's funny that you say Kobe is related to tilapia.
They use tilapia to do Kobe.
Alright. Okay.
Yeah. Anybody eating?
It's funny, tilapia is not that salt.
No, they have to make it salty themselves.
So put it in salt water, like brine.
Not water, they just put it in a big barrel and keep pouring plenty salt and keep putting more and plenty salt, more fish, plenty salt.
So high blood pressure in the mill, yeah?
Yeah.
Don't get me wrong, high blood pressure meals do taste nice.
So you're encouraging people to have
I'm not encouraging anyone. Okay? Drink plenty water, lemon juice. Eat your herbs. Go jogging. Do your press ups. Okay. So we're frying the fish with the onions.
Yeah, I'm going to go with my...
What are you going to put in next?
My tomatoes, plum tomatoes with sweet pepper.
See, I'm actually learning this because actually no, this is a fufu household. You know, mostly nkwang gets made. So I'm learning today. So you've added the sweet red peppers.
Just a tiny bit.
Just a tiny bit with the tomatoes.
Plum tomatoes.
Peel plum tomatoes, which we've chopped further, right?
Yeah. Some people, there's chopped ones in the shop anyway. So I prefer
peel plum.
Yeah. And then
okay.
So I'll leave it to cook gentle.
So how long is this going to be left for?
When I see the water is going down a bit, then I'm going to cook the rest of everything.
Okay, so when the water content has decreased, we'll come back and add these ingredients.
Yeah.
Okay, peace. Alright, as the stew's going away, we're adding the corn dough to a mixture of water. It looks like approximately 3 cups corn dough, right?
Yeah.
I don't know the measurement of water, but it looks like 3/4 of this pot.
So I have to mix it. You see the lumpy? It needs to be mixed gently first. And then
stirring with your left, Mom.
yeah, doing two things at the
I'm
same
joking,
time.
I'm joking.
I'm starving.
I'm joking. I'm not trying to expose you.
That I'm hungry.
No, I'm not trying to expose, you know. Never mind.
Be careful. Be careful.
That's serious, that's serious. Anyways, she's making sure that it's fine. That it's, you know, smooth. You just squeeze it. The water does most of the work. You're just helping the water do its job. Otherwise, the water, you know, the water's lazy. It will just sit on it. You know? Remember, you know, water is used to generate power in Ghana. But if you don't build a dam and let it fall like this corn dough is, no power will be generated. It's up to us to make something of the water and let it provide us life. You understand? Here, you understand? Water give us life, but we have to go and fetch it and use it. Okay? Water doesn't come to you. Understand? Okay.
I still want to put a bit more banku. I mean the dough.
The corn dough, yeah? So you want to make this nice and thick?
Not only that, because I want to have
so this
leftover.
Is like, correction, this is more like 5 cups, right?
It won't be 5 cups. It'll be about 2 cups exactly.
2 cups?
Yeah.
You do know each cup is not like a mug of tea.
I know. I want to do it so I can leave some and eat it the next day. So I've left some for you for your condo.
Thank you for the porridge. But see if they're making the banku, and it turns out it's too soft to make banku. They're actually making porridge. So
no, this would make banku.
No, but say they made the mistake.
Oh yeah, they can always add on.
Alright, so you can still rectify it. It's not spoiled. You don't have to throw it away. Okay, so
just blend. Mash a very thick one and pour it in, and then it will kick in.
Okay, so it's never too late. If you make a mistake, you still rectify it, you know? Which is the course of life. You make a mistake, you live to tell the tale and move on and be better in your life.
So everything is done.
Careful of the stew.
Yeah. Now the water is gone down, so what I'm going to do next is to put, there's something else I was going to put. I'll put a bit of my chili. Not quite sure how much I want.
I'll hand you the ingredients. No disrespect with my left, yeah? Okay.
No. I'll leave a bit just in case we need a bit more. I like paprika. I'm going to put a bit of paprika in it.
Okay. That's wrong with a bit of paprika.
Yeah, smoked one.
Smoked one gives out more of the flavour.
Yeah. What else am I putting in?
Trust me, my mum hates it when I bring in smoked fish and I try, you know, frying it with egg, fried mackerel and some eggs.
I've got this garlic.
Okay.
It's got to go in. Garlic minced.
Okay, the minced garlic. You can mince them yourself. It doesn't have to be minced.
Yeah, you can do.
That's what we usually do. But obviously, buying the minced garlic is.
I think I'm using all of it.
Yeah, you might as well just wash it out. Another thing, yeah, when you've almost finished with what do you call it, condiments or stuff like that.
Oh my corn dough.
It's never finished until you add a little bit of water and shake it. then it's finished. That's how my grandma would have done it. Even my grandma on the other side would have done it that way. So it's the right way to do it. Another good thing, you know, garlic is good for the heart, you know.
Garlic is good for romance. If you want somebody to love you so much, always cook with garlic.
Are you talking about aphrodisiac?
No. I'm talking about, you know, spiritual.
Oh, right. Wow, I got that wrong.
Yeah, aphrodisiac, I swear, but for
that's
real
chocolate.
love. For real love. If you cook with garlic so often to your man will love you all the time for the rest of your life. Yeah, my banku.
That's why you put a lot of garlic in Dad's food.
Oh no, I'm trying to save his heart.
Oh.
I don't want him to die. I want us to live for a long time.
Yeah, Dad, if you're ever watching this, we want you to live for a long time. No, Dad doesn't watch this. He's too busy being serious.
Ooh.
Probably doesn't know YouTube exists.
I need to put a bit of salt in my banku.
Soon that is going to get thick for your arms.
Yeah.
Other thing, you know, pounding fufu and banku, especially fufu, it's good for the arms.
I'll put all my chili in it straight. I like having chili stuff.
Really?
Much better.
As much as me?
No.
Not as much as me. What do you want?
Garden express.
The inyadua.
Yeah. So some people will just boil it first or steam it.
You know what makes me laugh in Ghana is, especially in the Ashanti region, you just see inyadua growing just naturally. I remember I used to play as a kid and I would just see them growing from the floor. And I think, hey man, this is not even a farm. It's still growing.
It's amazing what go can do, the palm oil.
I heard this palm oil is quite good for you.
Not really.
Oh, okay.
It tends to stay in the body. How about that?
I didn't know that.
Yeah. Because it's overheated already. They've heated it during the process, and then you have to heat it again during the cooking. So really anything like that just remain in the body.
So is that why you try and use vegetables? To try and balance your diet?
Yes. You have to use vegetables like this, you know, go straight to the source, all the nutrients remain.
You say it's the nkuruma?
Yeah, fresh one. This is supposed to give you more of a, what they call it, iron.
Okay. For people with anemia and stuff.
The okra. And then again,
see, that's good for your blood, you know.
And then again, for a woman who wants to have children or should not be, you know, who wants to get pregnant, should not be taking it that often. Because it can increase your fibroid or cyst, endometriosis, all kinds of different infertility will come across if you eat too much okra. Yeah.
And if you do eat those things, I mean, there's a list of things that can accommodate your stomach and help you, like to detoxify your liver. You should be taking dandelion, burdock, that sort of thing.
Yeah.
For the digestion, dandelion is also good. Ginger root is good. You can buy them in capsules, or you can make it yourself. Or you can just add the powder to your food.
Yeah.
Cayenne pepper is very good for the stomach.
Yeah.
I know it might be hard to taste, but it's very good for the stomach.
For the digestion and a lot of things.
And another good one's called hawthorn.
Hawthorn.
Yeah, so you know you have that nice entrance to the toilet in the morning.
know.
The smooth entrance.
Do you mind? This is my business. You're giving everything away.
No. Alright.
Okay, so I give it to people anyway to live.
It's people to
educate them.
Yeah, educate yourselves.
Wait, especially this country is
Whoa. Almost Mike Tyson the camera.
Self-prescribed country. You need to be. That's why they sell all kinds of medicine at the counter. You need to look after your own self. If you rely on your GP alone, you die.
General practitioner, for those who don't know.
You have to open the books. And before you know it, they've written paracetamol painkiller. They don't even list it. So
I'm telling you, all those chemicals in those,
orthodox medicine.
Yeah, I mean, I'm just saying, your liver's going through some work. Yeah, your liver's putting in some work to keep you alive when you're taking that stuff. Those side effects are not to be ignored.
No.
Good thing about herbs is they don't really have side effects. I mean, seriously, you can take a load of them and not get overdose. It's not good for your system, obviously.
It's not.
But you try and take 20 aspirins and,
Oh, you die.
Tell me how that goes, yeah?
Yeah, where would you be to be saying?
Morgue. Be in the morgue. Yeah, same thing.
Anyway, if you don't mind, you're trying to give my business away.
No, sorry. No, I'm not. No. Because,
You know what I do, and you don't have to give it away.
Okay.
Until the time comes, I give it away myself.
Fair enough. So we can see that inyadawa is starting to disappear within the stew. Not disappearing, but it's got smaller, it's getting softer.
That's what we want.
You can smell the fish mixed with the palm.
I'm here and there.
Banku. It's been so long since you've made banku. It's like you've never made
it for a long time. Because I never seems to get the proper dough in this country. That's why I don't.
Yeah, this one, when you feel the pain in the side of your jaws, that's when you know that's proper.
Sour.
Yeah, proper fermented corn. Jeez.
You can't just eat it fresh like that. I loved it. That's why I couldn't even wake. I had to drink some last night.
You drank some last night?
I made porridge for myself last night.
Okay.
I didn't want you to see, thinking, oh, Mom.
Yeah, you snuck downstairs and didn't say anything to us.
I was in the kitchen. I finished it, and I thought, I don't want him to feel guilty that he didn't give me some of his. So let me eat mine. As I was eating, I was saying, don't stop yours, finish it.
For some reason, this just reminds me of that French Montana song.
My okra is going in.
Those who know, know. Those who don't know, don't know. We live
My
like that.
okra is going in.
Okay, we're adding the okra. Or the okra.
Okra.
Alright, but the Europeans like to say. Europeans say okra. When I was young, I used to tell my friend, oh yeah, I eat okra. They say, don't you mean okra? And I'm like, no, I mean okra. No,
what did they know about our food? Oh my God, look at how appetizing it looks. Ooh. You can eat apesi yam with this, you can eat banku with this, you can eat so much.
Banku's heating up.
Yeah, it's only the only thing you can't eat with fufu, because I've made it okra stew. It's not okra soup, it's okra stew.
Look, if anyone eats fufu with stew, I will personally come to your house and slap you with a book.
Nobody eats fufu with stew.
That's what I'm saying. No one eats. You don't eat fufu with stews. It's better to eat fufu in salted water.
You are desperate.
No, you don't disrespect the fufu that way.
No more fufu in this house. From now on, this house, Banku only.
She's lying.
That's the fact.
You know, I don't mind.
With the Banku, with okra soup, Banku with garden eggs. Imagine the weather like this. And oh dear.
Even though Banku is like it's like my least favorite Ghanaian food, I'm still open-minded as to how it tastes. I do like the taste. I like the stew. I love the stew. I'm not gonna lie, the stew is beautiful. So I'm not a hater.
You can't.
I'm not a hater. But it will be my last choice. I would, you know, like.
It's filling.
Like for example, if I had a Ghanaian wife and I come home and she makes this.
Now and then it's fine.
No,
but not all the time.
It is what it is. Let's just say I like food.
You can't always eat the same thing.
No, it's okay. It's okay. It's, you know, sometimes. I just mean if it's every day.
You just like your bloody dad.
It'll be a problem.
One way guy.
But then again, I'm not sexist. I can cook myself. I cook very well, so it's not a big deal. A lot of the time I do cook for my family. You know, I give my mother a break and I cook.
Your dad likes your cooking.
Yes. Especially when I made that lasagna.
To boil it for a while and then turn it again.
So you see, making Banku, is it prone to burning if you leave it for too long?
No, it depends how you're doing it. You know me, when I'm cooking I don't sit until it's end. Sometimes I could stand in the kitchen for 3 hours. You never see me sit it down until the food is done.
Fair enough.
And then it gives me enough time. Now, what is coming next is my meat.
Whoa, you've got some strong arms, you know.
Sorry, dear.
I swear down, it's not me moving left. It's my mum's arm muscle pushing me left.
Thank you.
Boisterous, I'm telling you. Yasantua Muja. Those ones.
Please. I'm not Yasantua Muja like that.
You're lying.
Yeah, I am Yasantua.
Yeah, that's what I say, you're lying.
Oh dear. Granddaughter.
Yasantua. The woman who...
Oh my God, we've got
took over the army.
Too much stuff. Maybe I should take out the one I don't like.
Jeez. Oh, don't take out the nama nama.
Yeah, because I don't like them.
You know I eat nama nama, man.
I know. Take some out.
I know.
Otherwise, accidentally, it's going to come in my thing.
It's okay, just, you know, don't throw it away. I'll eat it. I'll add it back into my stew.
Okay. Too much meat. Bits and pieces is taking over my sauce, and it's good. Oh my God. I wish everybody watching this is here to join me to eat this. Right, back to my banku. Have to turn it.
Yep. Mum's whipping that work.
Yeah, it's almost done.
She's whipping 4 Bentleys. Anyways.
I never thought I have too much meat like that. I thought it was just a little.
Didn't have enough okra.
We got plenty of okra there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. It's the meat that we had too much.
This sauce is near enough finished, right? Well, I mean, the methods are done, but I'm just going to leave it for a while, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm leaving it too.
And this banku looks like it's almost done. Just needs a bit more kneading, isn't it? Okay. Will you be adding the tomato puree to this?
No. Because I had enough too.
Okay, well, we're gonna come back when the stew's finished. Because this is basically the last bit. Any last words you want to say? No?
Yeah, I said join us as I'm dishing out to eat. Please.
She's taking the little the bones out there.
Yes, from the Kobi.
Kobi, another thing, Kobi's got a lot of bones, right?
Sometimes, not too much.
Gee, I almost died trying to chew one too fast.
Oh, please. I'll make sure there's no bone in your fin.
No, that's alright. I'm not a baby. I'm used to it. I do what my uncles do. I use my teeth and just grind it to death. Anyway. Alright. We'll come back. Peace. Okay. Now the stew's ready. My belly's singing songs. How do you say it? Tujum.
Yeah. Oh my God, I can't wait to eat. I wish everybody watching this is here. Come dimpa. Abo be yache me away. Abo be yache me away.
See, please don't explain it. Because I just feel hungry.
I'm taking only kawuro in my one and Kobi. Wow. I'm trying to make sure that eat with care, boys.
And more.
Wow.
That is more sauce than I got.
Oh, don't be jealous. What's wrong with you?
Give me more banku.
Yeah, but when you want more, you come for more.
Okay.
Yeah. That is Mommy's. And that's your brother.
Okay, this is for y'all. So basically, this is a Banku and Okra Stew. And I hope you enjoy it.
Yeah.
It's gonna taste very nice.
Peace.
Just do a little close up. That's what I always do. And for our seconds, there's 2 more balls. Peace.